This season giving a nothing add to the joy of receiving a gift like beautiful wrapped present. Welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about Christmas gift wrapping decoration. In this video we will explore 10 creative and festive ideas to make your holiday present stand out under the trees. So grab our wrapping papers and ribbons because it's time to get crafty with Christmas gift wrapping decoration. So let's start our video. Elegant ribbons bowls. Here's what you will need: wrapping papers, ribbons, scissors, double-sided tapes. Wrap your gift in your chosen paper. Then take a ribbon, create a loop on each side, and skewer in the middle with double-sided tape. Flip the loops and you have a beautiful bowl to top of your gift. Bring the beautiful of nature to your gift wrapping. Gather these supplies: twins, pine cones, spring of evergreen, small ornaments. Wrap your gift with twins. Then attach a pine cones, sprigs of evergreen and small ornaments for a rustic and natural inspiring look. It's like a little pieces of outdoor on your gift. Mini warts make your lovely addition to your gift wrapping. You will need mini artificial warts, red ribbons, hot glue gun. Attach a small artificial wart to the top of your gift using a hot glue gun. Add a red ribbon bowl for an elegant and fancy touch. Personalized gift tag, add a special touch. Gather plain gift tags, calligraphic pens, red or green markers, twins. Write the recipe's name with a calligraphic pens. Add a touch of holly springs with red or green markers. Attach the tag to your gift with twins for a personal and thoughtful presentation. Snowflake stems create a winter wonderland. What you will need: white ink pad, ribbon, snowflakes, stems, craft papers. Stamp snowflakes on craft papers using a white ink pad. Wrap your gift with this beautiful stems paper for a simple yet charming winter look. Ornaments are not just for tree, they make fantastic gift toppers. Gathers ornaments, ribbon or scissors. Tie and ornaments into the ribbon used to wrap your gift. This not only decorates your gift but also gives the recipient a bounce ornaments for their trees. Create an advent calendar out of your gift box. You will need gift box of various size, numbered stickers, small gift or note. Number of each gift box using stickers. Fill them with small gift or handwriting notes. Arrange them in the shape of a advent calendars and it's tell be a gifted in itself. Layered tissue paper adds a touch of texture. You will need tissue paper in two colors, wrapping papers, double-sided tape. Wrap your gift in your chosen papers, then layer two colors or tissue papers, skewering them with double-sided tapes for a fun and vibrant look. And there you have a Christmas gift wrapping decoration ideas to make your present extra special this holiday session. Whether you prefer classic elegance or a more rustic feel, there is a style for everyone. Remember, the presentation is part of the gift giving experience. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe to hear this video.